Hope you all are doing well. If you have missed my last video on basic French greetings for beginners, press this I button. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new videos. So here's the next part of my previous video where I have taught you some expressions in French which you use in our day-to-day conversations. Number 1. Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Or those whom you address tu, you also can say Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? And if you are asked this question, you will answer Je m'appelle, which means my name is Je m'appelle Rajesh Kumar Basu. Voila. So, Je m'appelle means I call myself. It's a French way to say someone your name, which means I call myself. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle Rajesh Kumar Basu. Next, comment ça va? If you meet someone and you start the conversation with bonjour, and it's a good way to ask them comment ça va? Comment ça va? Means how are you doing? How are you doing? Comment ça va? They can reply Je vais bien, merci. Je vais bien, merci. Or ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci. I am fine, thanks. Et toi? And you? Et vous? And you? Ça va? Ça va means how are you? Are you fine? So it could be answered like this. Oui, ça va. Et vous? And you? Yes, I'm fine. And you? Oui, ça va. Et vous? Et toi? Or if everything is going just the way that they are going, you can also say Oui, ça marche. Oui, ça marche. Another formal way to ask someone how are you is Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Or Comment vas-tu to those whom you address tu. Comment vas-tu? Or Comment allez-vous? How are you? So this could be answered like this. Je vais bien, merci. Et vous? Or et toi? I am fine, thank you. And you? If you want to offer someone some tea, some coffee or some fruit juice, how you can say Voulez-vous du thé? Voulez-vous du thé? Do you want some tea? Or Voulez-vous du café? Voulez-vous du café? Or you can say Voulez-vous du jus de fruits? Voulez-vous du jus de fruits? Which means, do you want some fruit juice? And if you offer this to someone and they refuse it politely, saying no thanks, they can say non, merci. Non, merci. Or if someone offers you some tea or some coffee or some fruit juice, you can say Volontiers. Volontiers means gladly. Or you can say Pourquoi pas? Why not? Or you can say Bien sûr, of course. Bien sûr, of course, for sure. So repeat after me. Volontiers, volontiers. Bien sûr, bien sûr. Or you can say Pourquoi pas? Pourquoi pas? Why not? Another way to show someone some politeness is Vous êtes sympa. Vous êtes gentil. Or Tu es sympa. Tu es gentil. You are kind. You are gentle. Vous êtes sympa. Or Vous êtes gentil. Tu es gentil. Or C'est sympa. This is nice of you. This is very nice of you. Very kind of you. If you haven't seen my videos on alphabets, on numbers, or on phonetics, please have a check on these videos and do share them with your friends who are enthusiastic about French language like you. Until next time, au revoir, à bientôt.